going on, my Silver Knights? It's your boy, the King of Silver. Now, what I'm about to show you is solid silver, fully iced out, yellow canary moissanite tennis bracelet. Now, let's take a closer look on the detail. This is the flash test. There's the stamp.
Moissanite.
So as you can see, this passed the diamond tester as moissanite. Once again, there's the stamp. This is the flash test. This is how it looks around my wrist. You guys let me know what you think of it. Here's how you close it. Boom. Boom. It's not going nowhere. And for everybody that's been watching my videos, keep your heads up and let no one hold you down.